Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI NOVA Y61, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into App Gallery, then install your new defaults. I will go with some kind of SMS app. Maybe this one, or this one, and browser. When your apps are ready, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down and access Apps section. Following that, click on Default Apps and tap on one of those options. I want to change my SMS app and browser one, so I need to click on one of them. For example, SMS. Over here, you need to click on an app that you wish to apply. And when you're ready, just tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!